Hello students, good morning all of you. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. So in last class we have seen that operators types, okay? So today we are going to see one operator types, that is increment and decrement operators, okay? So what do you mean by operator? So operator is a symbol that works one or more variables and their constants are both to produce a new value. Okay, so here the variables and constants and which operators work are called operand. Operators and operand together form an expressions. Okay, so in last class we learned what is the difference between operands, operators, expressions, everything we have seen, right? So and also we have seen that arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, compound assignment operators, then increment, decrement operators, and conditional operators. Okay, in this class we are going to see increment and decrement operators. Okay, the increment and decrement operators are unary operators as they require only one operand. Okay, so operand means we know already. A plus B equal to C means operands are A, B, C. Operators are plus, equal to. Okay, so here they are using only one operands. Okay, here operator symbols are plus, plus, minus, minus. Okay, so the increment operator plus, plus increases the value stored in a variable by 1. Okay, whereas the decrement operator minus, minus decrease the value stored in a variable by 1. Okay, it suppose one value is 3 means 3 plus plus means what is the meaning of that one? 4. Okay, 3 minus minus means the value of that one is 2. Okay, so it increase and decrease by one only. Okay, understood? Next, look at here. um, Here a plus plus, look at the box, a plus plus given, so we can write like this, a plus equal to 1. Okay, so a plus equal to 1, how we can write this? So look at the compound assignment operators table there, amount plus equal to 10, how we can write it? Amount equal to amount plus 10. So likewise we can write this, a plus equal to 1, how we can write it? A equal to a plus 1. Okay, so these three statements, what are they? A plus plus, a plus equal to 1, a is equal to a plus 1. These three statements are all equivalent to each other only. They increase the value of variable a by 1. A plus plus value is what? So it increase the value of a variable by 1 only. Okay, it's suppose I'm mentioning here in a value is 4 means 4 plus plus means what? 5 value. So the next one, a plus equal to 1. Okay, here I told you the a value is 4, so here a plus equal to 1, how we can write it? A is equal to a plus 1. So a value is 4 already said, so 4 plus 1 5. Okay, the second statement answer is 4 5. The first statement answer is 5. So let's check with another third statement. A is equal to, so a I already told you what is I mentioned what value I stored in this variable? 4. So 4 plus 1, so 5 only. So the output of these three statements are the same only. Okay, understood? Here the increment and decrement operators can be used as a prefix or a suffix. Okay, so here a plus 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 a. Okay, look at the first statement, a plus plus or plus plus a. So here prefix means before the operand, so plus plus a, that is prefix. Okay, so our suffix means after the operand, that is a plus plus. Okay, so both are equivalent only. Okay, so being both equivalent to a is equal to a plus 1 only, but you know that operand places differ from one to from each other. Okay, the first one is a plus plus, after after operand we mentioned that operators, then plus plus a, before operand we mentioned that operators. Okay, okay, understood. So look at the decrement operators, a minus minus, this is which one? This is decrement. Postfix, prefix or suffix, which one is suffix only. Okay, so minus minus a, is this prefix or suffix? This is prefix only. Okay, both are equal and only, so a is equal to a minus only. The output of the both are same only. Okay, so look at here, pre-increment and pre-decrement. post increment and post decrement. Okay, so what do you mean by pre increment or pre decrement? So pre increment means plus plus a, pre decrement means minus minus a. Okay, so before the operand I mentioned that operand operators value, operators in front of the operand. Okay, so plus plus a means pre increment, minus minus a means pre decrement. Okay, so these operators first carry out the increment decrement operations, then deliver the new value. Okay, first it carry out the increment decrement operations. Okay, then deliver the new value. So post increment and post decrement means a plus plus, a minus minus. These operators first deliver the value. Okay, and then carry out the increment decrement operations. Okay, these are the difference between plus plus a plus plus. Okay, so you understood this one. So once let's see the examples of this one, then only you can able to understand this one easily. Okay, look at this table, go to the page number 79. Example 1. So int a comma b. Okay, so a b variables, int, that type is integer. Okay, so a is equal to 10, b is equal to a plus plus, that is, what is that, post increment operators. Okay, then see out, what is the insertion operator? A within the double quotes that mention, no, a is equal to, that value comes on the output screen. Then again an insertion operator, then a value of the variable a comes here, then insertion operator, then b, the sentence it displays on the screen, b is equal to, then b values comes with this one, then endl means endl is equal to, what is the backslash n only. Okay, the pointers move at the third line, the next line. Okay, so this is the explanation about this code. Then let's see the output of this program. Okay, so here the initial value of a is 10 only. Okay, so here b value is a plus plus. Okay, so here our b value is 10 only. Okay, so come to the third one, see outline iterates. Okay, so a value is, what is that, a value it increment to a plus 1, that is what, 11. A plus plus means it 10 plus 1, so 11. B value is, b is equal to a plus plus, no, so it doesn't increment the value of a. Okay, so b value is 10 only, so output is a is equal to 11, b is equal to 10. Okay, this is the output of this program. Then come to the example 2. So here int a comma p, a is equal to 10, b is equal to pre-increment plus plus a. Okay, then see out statement they are given. Here a answer is what? A value is 11. Okay, so finally the answer is, what is the value of a means 11 only. Then b value is, b is equal to plus plus a. Okay, so plus plus a means 10 plus 1. Okay, so we need to do that, that is pre increment, no, so we need to increase that value by 1 only, so that b value is 11. Okay, now a value is 11, b value is 11. The output of this one is a is equal to 11, b is equal to 11. Okay, this is the difference between a plus plus and plus plus a. So shall we move on the next example? Example 3. So int a comma b, a is equal to 10, b is equal to a minus minus. So a minus minus means it is a post decrement. Okay, so now a value is here what? A value is 9 only, because finally a values decreased by 1 only, no, so a value is 9. Then let's check with the statement b is equal to a minus minus. So here initially it doesn't decrease by 1, because this is post decrement. Okay, pre decrement means minus minus a. So if I mention b is equal to minus minus a means first it decrease, this value decrease by 1 only, but here it is a post decrement, so that value is, it doesn't change that value. So b is equal to 10 only, a is equal to 9. Okay, this is the output of this example 3. Okay, then shall we move on the next example 4. Okay, so int a comma b, a is equal to 10, b is equal to minus minus a. Is it pre-increment or post decrement or pre-decrement? Pre-decrement. Okay, so C out value is what? Insertion operator. A is so a value comes here, then b is equal to, then b value comes here. So what is the value of a here? So the value of a is 9. Okay, so it finally decreased, no, so that it comes here a value equal to 9. What is the value of b? B value is minus minus a. Okay, so that this value also 9 only. Okay, okay, understood what is the output of this one? So output of this one is a is equal to 9, b is equal to 9 only. So example 5, int a b, a is equal to 10, b is equal to, look at this, plus a plus 5. Okay, which means what? The plus a means what? That is the pre increment. Okay, so we need to do the increase the value of a before. Okay, by 1 before only. Okay, so the result add, we need to add the result of this plus a with what? 5 only. Okay, so then next cout statements, this value we are going to display on the screen. A value is this one, b value is this one. Okay, so here a is equal to 10. So what is the value of a? Tell me the output of this one. So value of a is 11 only, because plus a, no, it increment by 1, so 11. What is the value of b? B value is what? B is 10 comes here. So, okay, so 10 plus a means it increase by 1. So 10 plus 1 is what? 11. So 11 plus 5 is 11 plus 5 is what? 16. So b value is 16. This is the output of this example. Okay, fine. Then come to the example 6, int a comma b, a is equal to 10 given, b is equal to a minus minus, that is the post decrement, then asterisk 5. Okay, the result of a minus minus is I'm going to multiply the result of this a minus minus with 5. Okay, then tell me the output of a. The output value of a is here a minus minus, no, so we need to decrease by 1. So the output value of a is 9 only. Okay, so b we will differ. So look at the b statement. B is equal to a minus minus asterisk 5. So here a minus minus, no, that is what? Post, that is the what? Post decrement. So post decrement means it doesn't increase 10 by 1 initially. Okay, so b value is what? For comes here, so 10 only. Okay, so 10 asterisk 5 means 10 into 5 means what? 50. So the output of b is 50 only. Okay, so you understood these 6 examples. I hope you understood well. Okay, if you have doubt, ask me. Okay, so you know one thing, plus a, b is equal to a plus means initially it doesn't increase a value by 1. So that value only store in b. Okay, this value is plus b is equal to plus a means it initially increased. Okay, the value increased by 1, it's stored in b. Okay, that is the difference between a and plus a. Okay, understood? So conditional operators we have already learned, question mark, colon, the conditional operator. Okay, so come to the next one, next topic, arithmetic expression. Okay, go to the page number 18. Arithmetic expression, or the expression that produce a numerical value after execution. Okay, so look at this table. Algebraic expression is there. Then how we can write this in C++ statement, a C++ statement. Look at here, A is equal to P B into C. So how we can write it? A is equal to B asterisk C. So instead of into multiplication in C plus language, I am mentioning this asterisk. Okay, then A square plus B square plus C square. How we can write it? A square, right? So a square means a into a. So a into a means how we can write it? A asterisk a plus b square, how we can write it? B asterisk b plus c square, how we can write it? C asterisk c. Okay, this is the way how how we write the a square plus b square plus c square statement in C++ expression. Okay, then ab, okay, ab division d, okay, divided by d. So how we can write it? Ab, how we can write it? Within the bracket we need to write it. Okay, so that is what, open closed bracket, then ab means a into b, no, so a asterisk b, then divided by d only. Okay, so this is the we can write. We already know in arithmetic operation, when we learn arithmetic operators, we learn, no, how we can write multiplication, divisions, then modulus, everything we have learned, no. So here, what is the output of this one? That is new numbers only. That is, they are saying that the result of this one is numerical value only. Numerical value is nothing but the numbers only we will get. Okay, so we are not going to get any variable name, any alphabet name. Okay, once you solve any problem, you will get the numbers as a result only, not any alphabets as your result, right? Yes, so that they are telling that in arithmetic or expression. Okay, next we are going to see that precedence of operators. Okay, so an expressions means what I already explained. Arithmetic expression, here three expressions we are using, no. So each expression contains what, operators and operands only. So which operator will be executed first is governed by the precedence order of the operators. Okay, so highest precedence operator is executed first. Finally, lowest precedence operator is executed first. Do you know that board mass rules you used in mathematical, right? Their board mass means why? B means what? Bracket. O means off. D means division. M is multiplication. A for addition. S for subtractions. Okay, so these are is used in evaluating an arithmetic expression in mathematics only. Okay, so in C++, operators are executed in the following order only: parenthesis first, subtraction last. Okay, so look at here. First preference goes to parenthesis. The second one unary operators, plus minus. Okay, then third one multiplication, then division, then modulus. Okay, finally addition and subtraction. Okay, so there is no symbol of exponent in C++. The function power of is used for that purpose only. Okay, so the expression is solved from left to right. In case of equal precedence, the operator that appears first is solved first. Okay, so we are going to see one example, then we can clearly understand that one. Okay, so first one, evaluate the expression 10 plus 12 modulus 4 minus 5 asterisk 3 plus 11 minus 2. Okay, so look at here. So first, 10 plus 12, first line, look at the first line, 12 modulus 4 minus 5 asterisk 3 plus 11 minus 2. Here first preference goes to parenthesis, no. So look at here, parenthesis is going to solve this. Okay, highest preference goes to parenthesis. Answer of 5 asterisk 3 is 15. So look at the second line, 10 plus 2 modulus 4 minus the answer of this one, no. So this one only we need to give the first preference. First preference goes to parenthesis. So the answer is 15 plus 11 minus 2. Okay, then next precedence is what? Okay, next precedence is say unary operators. Here multiplications, division, then modulus. Okay, the next precedence is modulus. Okay, so here modulus is there. Okay, so look at here, 10 plus 12 modulus 4 minus 15 plus 11 minus 2. Already told you 12 modulus 4 means we need to write here the remainder value. So 10 plus remainder value is 0. So minus 15 plus 11 minus 2. So here the next one, what all the operators are there, plus minus only there. Okay, here the fourth precedence is addition and subtraction only. Both are coming. Okay, both are same precedence only, but the expression is all from left to right only in that case. Okay, so in case of equal precedence, the operator that appears first is solved first. Okay, that is the conditions. Okay, here we need to start the from left to right. The first operator is plus. Okay, 10 plus 0. So let's solve this one. What will get? 10 only. 10 minus 15 plus 11 minus 2. Here also the same precedence value plus minus is there. We need to solve solve from left to right only. The first operator is minus is there. Okay, so we need to solve 10 minus 15. So the answer is minus 5 plus 11 minus 2. Now the first preference goes to what is that? Plus. Okay, so look at here. So minus 5 plus 11, the answer is what? 6. Okay, 6, then minus 2. Okay, then 6 minus 2 I got. Then here only one operator is there, minus. Okay, so that is what? 4. Okay, so this is what we can solve the this expression. Okay, so which one we need to first, which operator goes to the first highest precedence operator is what? Parenthesis. Okay, then next unary operators. Okay, third one is multiplication, division, modulus. Fourth is addition and subtraction. Okay, so here in the expression should be solved from left to right. In case of equal precedence, the operator that appears first is solved first. Okay, this is the condition. Okay, so shall we move on the example 2? So execute the following statement and evaluate the expression. Okay, int a comma b is equal to 5, c equal to 10. So okay, so a is, expressions are a is equal to b divided by 2 asterisk c minus 2 plus 8 modulus 5 divided by 2. Okay, first look at the table. You write the expression first. Okay, then second line you replace all the values by 5 and 10. So look at the third statement. So our highest precedence goes to, we need to solve the which operators, parenthesis only we need to concentrate on. So 5 divided by 2 asterisk 10 minus 2 is 8 plus 8 modulus 5 divided by 2. Then what are the operators are there? Division, asterisk, then modulus is there. So in case of same precedence, what we going to do, the operator that appears first is solved first. Okay, so here first appeared operator is addition, sorry, division. So 5 division 2, the answer of 5 division 2 is quotient value. So 2 here, asterisk 8 plus then 8 modulus 5 division 2. So look at here now. Look at the fourth statement. Here which one is the which one is solved first? The first one. Okay, from left to right, the first one is we need to solve it first. Okay, so asterisk, so 8 2s are 16, so 16 plus 8 modulus 5 division 2. So the next one from left to right, you look at here, the first preference goes to modulus. Okay, so modulus means 8 modulus 5 is the remainder value is 3 divided by 2. Okay, so the next 16 plus 3 divided by 2. So the quotient value comes here, 16 plus 1, the answer is 17. Okay, this is the answer of this one. This is the way we need to give the preference to the values. Okay, so C++ operators are executed in some orders only. What are the orders? The first one is parenthesis, second one unary operators, third one multiplication, division, modulus, fourth one is addition and subtraction. Okay, so I hope you understood well. I completed this chapter today. In next week I will start with chapter 5, list and images in HTML 5. Okay, so students, don't waste your time, study well, and if you have any doubt, contact me, I will help you. Thank you so much.